What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV, where we give customers what they want and deserve. Today I'm standing in the new 2024 KZ Sportsmen Classic 191 BHK. This lightweight bunkhouse model is perfect for a family just getting into camping, looking for something simple that's not going to break the bank, but you can bring the kids along. This one's got updated graphics from last year and it looks amazing, so let's get right into it. Let's begin our journey inside the 191 BHK, where smart design and cozy living spaces define the experience. The bedroom is designed for comfort and relaxation, featuring a cozy bed and thoughtful storage solutions. It's your haven for a restful night after a day of adventure. In the kitchen, the 2-burner cooktop with a glass top, microwave, and single bowl sink make meal preparation a breeze. The 8 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator offers generous storage for all of your camping essentials. And the dinette in the slide gives you that extra space to move around. And it also can be made into a bed that can sleep up to 2 people comfortably. And for those families or traveling with friends, the Sportsmen Classic 191 BHK offers a fantastic single bunk area. These bunks are more than just sleeping spaces, they're cozy retreats where memories are made, perfect for the little adventurers in your life. Plus, you can also use them as storage. And in the bathroom, you'll find a porcelain toilet, a shower with a skylight, and a sink with a spacious medicine cabinet above it. Stepping outside, the rugged exterior of the Sportsmen Classic 191 BH reflects KZ's commitment to quality. The front diamond plate adds durability, while tinted windows provide privacy and style. The rear bumper comes with convenient sewer hose storage, and the digital TV antenna keeps you connected even in the great outdoors. What sets this RV apart, though, is its robust construction. The Sportsmen Classic is built to last with conventional construction studs, 16-inch on center, featuring fiberglass batten insulation. The insulated roof and front and rear walls ensure comfort in various weather conditions. The 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood floor offers sturdiness, and the one-piece Tough-Flex roof membrane comes with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind for years to come. On the door side, it offers you some storage for your extra gear that doesn't fit inside the camper. And on the back side, it comes with this awesome outdoor kitchen featuring a mini fridge and a griddle. In conclusion, this one is a great option if you're looking for a small, lightweight bunkhouse. Your kids are going to love it, and you're going to love it too. If you want to learn more about this model and other ones we have available, come check out our website, premierrv.com, or call the number on screen, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of this one. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.